Laptop. Ku. Laptop. Ku. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Greetings, health and prosperity to all of us. Come back with me, Akar Bhumi, in News Info, Laptop Ku. A variety of useful and best information will be presented on Laptop Ku. Want to know useful and best information today? Here's news from Laptop Ku.
Do you know Meniran leaf, and also its benefits?
Meniran leaves are a kind of wild plant, which is similar to a shy princess plant. But it turns out, this Meniran leaf has a lot of benefits. To know more about the benefits of this Meniran leaf, let's listen to the explanation. The following is an explanation of Laptop Ku.
10 benefits of Meniran leaves. It is enough just to boil this Meniran leaf until it boils, then the water can be directly drunk, and the benefits of this water are that 1. It is able to treat hepatitis B infection. 2. Can help protect liver health. 3. Treating kidney stones. 4. Contains ion K, which can treat gallstones. 5. Prevent virus and antibacteria. 6. Prevent skin disease antioxidant. 7. Able to reduce gastric acid secretion and protect the stomach. 8. Treat gout. 9. Treating diabetes, and the 10. Able to treat arthritis.
That's the information from my laptop. May be useful and beneficial for all of us. Thank you. Take care of your health and stay motivated.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell after watching my laptop news. Because all useful and best information is here.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wait for the following information.
Wise advice. Never laugh at the suffering of others. By Akar Bhumi.